what they wanna hear. Let them hear it. But this chick, she don't go near it. Yo, I'd be playing myself. She carry herself with class. How she carry all that? This the question. Her college degree is sitting right there on the living room wall. She ain't playing with it. You think I ain't staying with it? I might dip around and taste that, but I ain't gonna never chase that. And my good thing, I'm good. She my professional, bro, with a dash of the hood. She give me skull on the wood, and then I'm gone. I wake up in the morning.
Like where you going with your sexiness that you possess. And I love the way you put it on me. Yes, I love the way you put it on me. Believe me when I tell you she's a rider in every way. That's why I'm right beside her. She got the brains to back it up. Plus she got the body, so back it up, back it up. Yeah, she got the brains to back it up.
My shorty's so focused, that's why I wrote this. Her mouth do magic tricks, hocus pocus. Yeah, she ain't no ratchet. My fly, she match it. She got a master's, a higher tax bracket. My chicken head, she got them all running for the hills, but they be running back like they running for the bills, and they running from they bills. My shorty, she on top of hers. Such a lady, but in the bedroom, she popping hers. She cook, she clean, she rub me the right way. Bout her business like money made on fight day. And she ain't going through my phone accusing me to do the right thing. She always trying to influence me, and even though I don't listen, I respect it. But I'm a cowboy like I'm hailing from Texas. I'm tatted up. Sometimes I get a mad as but chill, mommy, come here, just back it up.
Your sexiness that you possess. And I love the way you put it on me. Yes, I love the way you put it on me. Believe me when I tell you she's a rider in every way. That's why I'm right beside her. She got the brains to back it up. Plus she got the body, so back it up. Yes, she got the brains to back it up.
You could look and see that she's a rider. All the boys like to stand beside her, side her. Gangster to the core, so don't try her. Very well connected and she's known to bring the fire. Daddy was a hustler from Jamaica, so she learned at an early age to get the paper. That means she's all about her business. Franklin, Jackson, Hamilton, Lincoln, Princeton graduate, born and raised in Farragut. Confident, not to be mistaken with arrogance. Dominant with a long list of accomplishments. So it mostly means she don't ever need no man for shit. You should see the way she winds her body. The attention when she's at the party. Everybody trying to figure out her name, but one thing is for sure, baby girl, she got the brains.
Your sexiness that you